In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic free shipping on Squarespace. We'll be creating a free shipping discount that applies automatically so your customers won't need to enter a code at checkout. This is a great option if you want to simplify the buying experience and encourage more completed orders. To get started, open your Squarespace dashboard and go to Products and Services. This is where you manage the selling side of your site, including store settings, checkout options, and promotional tools. From there, click on Discounts. This section is where Squarespace lets you create different types of offers, including percentage discounts, fixed discounts, and shipping promotions. Once you're on the discounts page, click AD Discount. This opens the discount creation screen where you can choose exactly what kind of promotion you want to run. Now, select free shipping or local delivery. Since this tutorial is focused on automatic free shipping, this is the option that allows you to remove shipping charges based on the rules you set. Next, enter a name for the discount. Choose something clear and easy to recognize on your backend, especially if you plan to create multiple promotions over time. A simple descriptive name works best so you can quickly identify it later. After that, click on Automatic Discount. This is an important setting because it means the promotion will apply without the customer having to type anything in manually. That makes the checkout process smoother and can help reduce friction. Then under Offer, choose whether the free shipping should apply to in-order or only to orders over a certain amount. If you want to increase average order value, setting a minimum order threshold can be a smart choice. If you want the widest possible reach, applying it to any orders may work better. Next, in Rules and Limitations, choose whether to limit the total number of orders this discount can be used on, or limit it to one order per customer. These settings are useful if you want to control how broadly the offer is used, or keep the promotion more targeted. Now enter the starts date and the expires date. This lets you schedule the promotion in advance and make sure it only runs during the time period you want. Be careful to double check the timing so the offer becomes active exactly when intended. Finally, click Save. Once saved, your automatic free shipping discount will be active according to the rules and dates you configured. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic free shipping in Squarespace. If you want, you can always come back later to edit the discount, adjust the limitations, or change the timing to match future promotions.